What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I finally got the M3 13-inch MacBook Air, and this is the one in midnight. I believe it's 8 gigs of RAM, or what they call unified memory, and a terabyte of storage. Now I'll just talk while I'm peeling this off. I had the M2 13-inch before, and then I upgraded that to the M2 15-inch. And I actually did pick up the M3 15-inch as well, alongside with this M3 13-inch MacBook Air, and this 13-inch MacBook Air in midnight is actually for my wife. I'll be using the 15-inch M3 MacBook Air in space gray. That's going to be a separate video of that unboxing and first impressions, so definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel. But here it is, pulling it out. It's super light as usual. It's a MacBook Air in its name. Then we got the braided cable with the MagSafe to USB-C, and it's color coded. So this is a midnight braided cable. That actually looks really nice. And then we got just some more paperwork right here, designed by Apple in California. We should be getting some stickers in here, hopefully. Maybe not. Oh, we do. We get midnight Apple stickers. So that's a huge plus. Nice to see that. Cool. Thank you, Apple, for adding those. And then we do have right here, I think I actually went with, was this the 70 watt? This is a 70 watt USB-C power adapter. You can get the 35 watt dual power adapter, but I mean, I'm just going to be using this setup mainly for the MacBook Air. So there was no need for me to pick up a dual port. But let's put that stuff aside. Again, this is M3 MacBook Air, 8 gigs of unified memory, and a terabyte of SSD. Now, here's the thing. Let's first peel this. Two things. 8 gigs of unified memory, and wow, I really do miss my midnight M2 MacBook Air. And apparently it's better with fingerprints as opposed to the predecessor. It's last year's midnight. I don't have last year's model anymore, so I can't really compare, but just first impressions, yeah, it definitely is much better with fingerprints. And the second thing is 8 gigs of unified memory. Is it enough? And I think it is. I think it's enough for most people, including myself. Like, the model I got is 8 gigs of unified memory as well, and I make YouTube videos too. So there we go. It is booting up. Wow, I really do miss the size of this 13-inch MacBook Air. Very snappy. I love the keyboard on this as well. So we're going to just do English, and we're going to get right onto it. There we go. We're going to choose my country. And you know what? Let's set this up, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. And I gotta say, first thing, after setting this up, I really miss my 13-inch M2, and I can definitely tell there's a difference. Like, with the coating on here, there's less fingerprints. The midnight for the previous generation was horrendous. Like, I couldn't keep it clean at all. It was terrible, especially when I tried to make videos on it. It wasn't the greatest. So this is a huge plus, right step that Apple has decided to take with it, and I'm all for it. I hope that Apple does bring, some more colorful MacBook Airs maybe in the future. Rumors in past years had like a colorful M2 MacBook Air lineup. Obviously that didn't happen, but I'd still really look forward to having that. Hopefully we will one day. For me, I'm going to be using the 15-inch MacBook Air. Like I said, I got this for my wife. She'll be using the 13-inch M3 MacBook Air, and she's upgrading from like a 2018 MacBook Pro, and it's aged a lot, and those Intel chips are not holding up even for just daily tasks, and I think this is going to be huge upgrade from what she is used to with her 2018 MacBook Pro. For me, I'm actually going to showcase her right now real quick. I'm going to, and I have a video on this, a separate video on the unboxing, 15-inch MacBook Air. So definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll be changing from Starlight to Space Gray, trying out all the colors. So yeah, Overall, I gotta say though, I like this compact form factor. It's super light. If you're out in the market looking for a starting laptop to get work done, you can't go wrong with the MacBook Air. Absolutely love it. So a lot of other videos are going to be coming to the channel. Definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below. Best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. I'll help push my content out to more people. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode.